Step into the Nissan 2020 Rogue S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6.386 axle ratio, wheels, 17 steel with full covers, front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, radio, AM/FM CDO, black splash guards, set of 4, chrome rear bumper protector, rear USB ports and floor mats and 2 PC cargo area protector. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.